Twinkle is to me a more siguro to my ears, twinkle, little star. And to Rambo, yung actor Rambo, I heard many beautiful words from Erwino Manina, and we are engaged in an intellectually listening this evening kung mga magagaling nagsalita. And I will advise you on the legal perspective, what a family is. Of course, the foundation of all marriages, successful marriages, is love. But you cannot live by love alone. You must have also resources in your future, because marriage is only the starting point. You get married because you want to build a family, and a strong family is the foundation of a strong nation. It started all in the family. But in all the things that we do, God is always there. I was told that we attach ourselves not to religion but to God. And I believe that. Biblically and legally speaking, the husband is the head of the family. But it does not mean he is the sole decision maker in the family. Because the wife is the budget officer and the treasurer. She's like Congress, and the husband is like the president. So even in the family, it's like a government. There is a check and balance. Especially when there are important decisions to be made, major decisions to be made. Husband and wife need all each other. And I would say, husband and wife have an co-equal role in the family. I like the symbolism analogy made by Yorinong pastor about the eagle that flies high and the serpent.
Yeah.
The serpent is cunning. So it's malleable, flexible, and in life you must be like that. You have flexibility. The serpent that we know traditionally is bad. The ship, of course, you have to, we are together in this ship. The oceans is vast, and uncertainties is there. Ugly talk of the fast pace of life now in the digital age, where what you learn for today is no longer applicable tomorrow. You have to learn and learn and unlearn. But amidst these challenges, while there are uncertainties, there are challenges, and there are opportunities. Especially husband and wife will work together. In this occasion, two great families are united legally. United as husband and wife. Of course, the Guru family and the Magan family. Both families are great families known to me. And I am sure that the seeds that will sprout out of this union will be what I know about this Magan family and the Guru family. They are all bright. Karamihan sa kanila bright yung alam ko eh. And looking both of you, sa tamang sabi ng ninang mo, mga ninang yung kanina nagsalita, you are really in love with each other. In the family would remember, love must be mutual. Not only love, even the caring must be mutual, support must be mutual. That is the family goal. If both of you will do that, then you are strengthening each other. You are helping each other. And I'm sure you will be able to build a strong family. No matter how strong the storm that you will encounter in life. Life is full of uncertainties now, especially now. But as I said, the challenge is there. Amidst the storm and the uncertainties, the challenge is how to survive together and build a strong family that will be the foundation of a strong community, a strong Coronadal, a strong province, and a strong country. Kung sa pamilya pa lang walang problema, sa yung bansa natin wala masyadong maraming problema. Congratulations to both of you. I'm sure you'll be happy if you listen very carefully to the advices made by your ninong sa ninang, especially the pastor. Puro mga James of Todd na pala-isipan yun na makakatulong sa inyong buhay.
Amen.
Congratulations on good day.
Thank you so much po. After 7 years, kanina sa ceremony down to this reception proper,